Everybody, welcome to this month's installment of the Friday Five. We're going to be taking a look at an interactive video tool called Playposit. Playposit allows us to personalize learning. It allows us to give some great formative assessment from which we can get really good student data, get an understanding of where our kids are in terms of their learning and their understanding. And it is super flexible in how you can use it. One of my favorite uses is playlists, which we'll be getting to later this month. So with that, let's take a quick tour of what Playposit has to offer. All right, one of the best parts about Playposit is that it is super easy to integrate on Google Classroom. So what I took was the Playposit assign link and put that right on Google Classroom. So we're going to go in and take a sample lesson. You might recognize this. I was actually in this musical when I was in 6th grade. Maybe I was 8th grade. Super fun. We barely hang around. Friends ask us to describe the people, places, and every last thing. So built in throughout Playposit, you'll have these interactive questions. You have multiple choice, you have the opportunity for short answer, and there's also the opportunity now to have audio responses. Playposit is continuing to build out their product so that we can have really great use of their tool in our classrooms. So what are people, places, and things? They are nouns. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish this and see what it looks like on the teacher end. So here's what makes Playposit really powerful. So now that you just saw me complete that video, that's what we call a bulb. The videos inside of Playposit are called bulbs. Now I can go and check out the data from the teacher's perspective. So I'm going to go into classes. This class was called Professional Development. I'm going to scroll down, look for the video. That one happened to be copy of adjectives, monitor the progress. See, these are all sample names in here, but then you can see this guy named Louis at the bottom here. He got a 33% before I went into grade. Completed it in 7 minutes. He got B correct, adjectives correct. This yellow answer here still needs to be graded, so I'll go in. So if you keep moving on here, you'll see I got 2 in a row wrong. Oops. And then the final one correct. So my final grade on this was a 67%, unfortunately. That's great data that you can get from your learners from each one of these bulbs. And the final piece we're going to look at is the library of pre-made bulbs. So we'll go to our menu on the far left, open pre-made bulbs, and you can search Elenco, District Media, or go to all of Playposit, which I like to search. For example, if you were looking at adding fractions, you can search this, filter it. You might need to scroll down to see that, and you can see all the already made videos that are related to this topic. So I'll go ahead and check out this first one here from Mr. J. You click on the thumbnail, click preview. Before I click play, you'll see, or when I click play, you'll see that there are already interactions built in here. So I can preview, see what the questions are that are already here, see if those are related to my learning target. And then if you like this, you can go ahead and copy and edit, or you can just copy it and then you would assign it to Google Classroom. So please see the link shared at the end of our Playposit. You'll see I dropped an interaction or in your Friday 5 email to learn how to assign a bulb from Playposit into Google Classroom. I cannot wait to see how you use this to mix up and personalize learning in your classroom and how to use the data from here to drive your instruction.